Friday night, sinimulan ng pumorma. Nang lapitan ka, bigla akong nag-bounce. Nakita kong maiba ka ng kausap, na tila ba'y kayo'y masaya. Nalintikan na, naunahan pa. Siguro nga hindi talaga tayo para sa isa't isa. Hey, yo, your looks got me losing my mind, no cap. Parang crazy sa kanto, sabog ang track. Time slows down every time we cross paths. Your scent stays with me hanggang late night flashbacks. But we're miles apart, yeah, it's obvious. Different galaxies. Love is not for us hanggang tingin lang. I know I can't claim you, so I keep these feelings, pretend they're not true. I already know what you're gonna say, why would I hope? Yeah, not my day, your kindness alone, panalo ka na. That soft smile got me messed up, sobra na. Even the mailman saw how wasted I am. Not on booze, girl, just stuck on you. Damn. Friday night, sinimulan ng pumorma. Nang lapitan ka, bigla akong nag-bounce. Nakita kong maiba ka ng kausap, na tila ba'y kayo'y masaya. Nalintikan na, naunahan pa. Siguro nga hindi talaga tayo para sa isa't isa. Funny how life plays its role. You already like somebody else, I know. Hadid sundo ka in a fancy ride, while I'm counting coins just to get home alive. He can buy you everything you want, me just dead sa tindahan. Front after front, yeah, it hurts, parang kulang ang air. So maybe I should stop pretending I care. No matter how obvious I try to be, there's nothing waiting there for me. Let's be real, look at the fit. He's in a suit, I'm in worn-out slips. You still gonna compare? I don't stand a chance, that's real. Yeah, I get it now. Mataas ang standards, I'm just a bonus track. He's the main artist, he's got plans, future mapped in graphs. And nice they say, which really means pass.
I'm sorry, wag ka sanang magagalit, pero may pag-aari na sa puso ko. Maybe, may iba pang babae na mas deserve mo kisa sa akin. I'm sorry talaga.
Friday night, sinimulan ng pumama. Nang lapitan ka, bigla akong nag-bounce. Nakita kong maiba ka ng kausap, na tila ba'y kayo'y masaya. Nalintikan na, naunahan pa. Siguro nga hindi talaga tayo para sa isa't isa.